Hello. Now in this example we're going to get some exercise practice with using these simple if statements, these single line if statements. So we're going to write a program that's going to give Jenny 14 years of age, 6 years of age to Danny, and 6 years of age to Claire, and we're going to have a sequence of if statements. If Jenny is older than Danny, then we're going to output Jenny is older than Danny. If Danny's older than Jenny, then we'll output the corresponding phrase. If Danny's the same age, we'll output the corresponding phrase. If Danny's the same age as Claire, then Danny was the same age as Claire will go on the screen. So clearly some of these statements are false, and so some of them aren't going to go on the screen at all. So let's go ahead and declare our variables. So we have Jenny, Danny, and Claire. The ages in our problem are given here, 14, 6, and 6. The first if is if Jenny is greater than Danny, then we're going to output Jenny is older than Danny. If Danny is older than Jenny, Danny is older than Jenny goes to the screen. If Danny's the same age as Jenny, then we print that to the screen. If Danny is the same age as Claire, then we have that on the screen. So clearly some of these are false statements. So let's go ahead and hit run and see what we have. Jenny is older than Danny. Let's see if that's true. Jenny is indeed older than Danny. That's coming from this guy right here. The next statement, Danny greater than Jenny, is actually false, so this statement here does not get printed to the screen. So that makes sense because it's a false. The if statement does not evaluate to true, so nothing happens. And then we have Danny equal to Jenny, which is clearly not true, so this does not go and get printed. And the last one, Danny is the same age as Claire. This actually is true, so that is what gets printed out here to the console. So just a couple of quick examples with the if statements. Notice that we have if, we have the condition, and then we have the result if that evaluates to true right there on the same lines. Very quick, easy way to write a quick if statement, and we're just getting some practice with it here. You can go through and do lots of other examples with these numbers and convince yourself that it's all working properly. Here we just picked 4 of them here to give you practice with if statements.